What's up, team Fullest? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Click Up my canal. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress bag unboxing for you guys. As you guys can see, the bag came in this black plastic bag. I opened it just to check to know what I have, and then I filled it and I know, okay, it was a bag. So I want to come and show you guys how this bag looked like. It just came with this black plastic, just like this. So now I'm going to remove this black plastic and I'm going to show you guys what the bag look like. I saw this really cute bags on AliExpress and I decided to pick it up. I really wanted to give it a try because you guys know I have been really collecting bags. So this is the white one. Let's open it. And whenever I buy bags from AliExpress, I always make sure I watch for the review. If the bag have some nice reviews and I see people buying it and I see how it looks on people, then if I really like it, then I'll buy it myself. I don't buy a bag on AliExpress if I don't see any review on the bag. So yeah, that's just something for you guys to watch out for, because sometimes you will see a bag on the website, looks very beautiful, and then when you buy it, you're the first one to buy it. When it comes, it's not what you want actually. So this is what the bag looks like. Remove this. This is what the bag looks. Just a really small tiny date night bag, like just bag to have your wallet, your phone, and just maybe 1 or 2 lip balm or makeup just to go out with friends. So it's very tiny. I got this bag for I think €9 for each of them. So this is what the accessories. Okay, it comes with hand chain, this one, and then you have this hand chain. This one goes in here, I guess. Goes in here. Okay. This is something a little bit struggle to put it in. Okay, yeah, like that. And let's do the same thing for this other back, this other side. It's always a little bit of okay, so this is what the bag is looking like. It's cute. I don't know what this one is for. If you guys have had this bag, let me know what this one is for. I really do not know what this one is for, because it just comes in like this. What is this for? Is it to hang it here as well? I don't know. I really do not know what this one is for, but I really like it like this. I love the gold chain. It's really beautiful, really nice. The gold chain is really nice. It's still very light. It's plastic, but they kind of spray paint it with gold, but it's plastic. But it's really nice, you know. So this is what the white one. I got a white and a black just because, yeah, that's my simple. I'm not really like colorful bag kind of girl. I just want something simple. This is my first white bag as well. I don't have a colorful bag. This is my first white bag. So let's get this one and then let's open the black one. I think it's the black one, the white one, it's just the same design. I just wanted to have both colors. So we got the same one with the black one, the same design, and I guess the same thing. When you open it inside, you get the same chain. And I really do not know what this one is for. What is this one for? Because I got the black and the white. I'm gonna keep it, but I don't know what it's for. So yeah, I love the chain. I love the chain design. So I'm just going to try to fix the chain design as well. It's a little bit tricky. Squeeze that thing. Okay. Put it all the way in. Yeah, that's nice. And the same thing goes for here. Try to put it through. Okay, so this is what the black is looking like. It's It pretty has a really decent space inside, honestly. It has a really decent space inside. It's very, very soft. It's not real leather. So it's not real leather. So it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna spoil. But it's not real leather. But yeah, you can get multiple use out of it for 10 euros. I don't feel like it's bad. So I got two. I got the white and the black. Let me kind of zoom the camera out a little bit. I'll zoom it out. So you see, trying to zoom it out. So as you guys can see, zoom the camera out a little bit. But as you guys can see, it is pretty nice. Really nice bag, honestly speaking. I really love the gold. The gold is just like a really, gives a really nice statement onto the bag. I love the white one with the gold thing. I also love the black one with the gold design. So yeah, this is another bag that I picked up. Now I have like few different black bags that I picked up from AliExpress. I have the two black one and I have this one. So I think for now I'm kind of done with bags. Let me first use this one that I picked up because I'm not really a bag person, but I just wanted to have some few bags in the house so that I can use bags. I can really go out and just have my own bag and all of that. But yeah, I really like it. So now I have few bags. I have black, I have white. If necessary, I will look around again. But for now, I think this is kind of okay for me. The ones I have, it's kind of okay. There is actually nowhere to go. Maybe only if you just want to go out and hang out with friends, go to the park and hang out with friends, because there's actually nowhere to go. Everywhere is kind of shut down right now because of the situation that is going on in the entire world. So yeah, but yeah, this is a kind of cute bag. Just a night out, hang out with friends at the park, just trying to little bit have fun, even though try to make the best time out of your life, even though we're in pandemic. But yeah, this is the bag. Let me know what you guys think. I really do not like to put all the links of everything on my description box because it's just too much links. But if any of you guys are interested on anything that I got from AliExpress, sometimes I do get a whole lot of stuff. Like this one is just a bag. But if you guys are interested, just let the comment in the comment box, and I'll definitely put the links for you guys in the comments. So for any of you guys who are interested, and if some of you guys who have my number on WhatsApp, you can just send me a DM and tell me, Ami, send me a link. Especially those designer AliExpress designer bags. I can't really leave the link down there because you guys know the YouTube community guideline is like, it's not, I don't want to get into trouble. So if you guys are interested in those, just send me a message on WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp me or go to my Instagram, DM me. I will definitely put the link for you guys there. I will definitely share the links for you guys, or you can just leave a comment. It's more easier than to just pack all those links in the description, and then my description box is just full with different links. These videos are not sponsored. I'm the one who buy them. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Let me know what you guys think of my new bags. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment box or send me a DM on WhatsApp. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate you all so much for the love, the support. I really appreciate you. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet niet te volgen op mijn Instagram en Facebook pagina voor meer foto's. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox. En hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. TeamFullest! Peace out! Bye! Doeg!